Wood furniture and decor pieces play a significant role in home decor, especially for those navigating the challenges of budget constraints. The natural beauty, versatility, and durability of wood make it an ideal material for creating stylish, functional, and affordable home furnishings. In a world where mass-produced items often dominate the market, wood offers a timeless alternative that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a space, but also contributes to a sense of warmth and authenticity. When considering home decor on a budget, one of the key advantages of wood is its ability to provide a high-end look without the accompanying price tag. Unlike synthetic materials that may mimic the appearance of wood but lack its inherent charm, genuine wooden pieces bring a unique character to any room. The grains, textures, and colors of wood can vary widely, offering an array of options that can suit different styles and preferences. This natural variety allows individuals to find pieces that resonate with their personal tastes while still being mindful of their financial limitations. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas for home decor on a budget. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most compelling aspects of incorporating wood into home decor is the sense of warmth it provides. Wooden furniture and decor can create a welcoming atmosphere, making spaces feel more inviting. This warmth is particularly important in areas such as living rooms and dining spaces, where people gather to relax and connect. The tactile nature of wood invites touch and interaction, enhancing the overall sensory experience of a home. In contrast to cold, hard surfaces often found in modern design, wood offers a sense of comfort that encourages both residents and guests to feel at ease. Budget-conscious homeowners can also benefit from the durability and longevity of wood furniture. Well-crafted wooden pieces can withstand the test of time, providing value that extends far beyond their initial cost. Unlike cheaper materials that may need to be replaced frequently, quality wood can endure years of use while maintaining its beauty and function. This durability makes wood a wise investment for those looking to furnish their homes without continuously spending on replacements. The ability to find affordable wooden furniture means that individuals can create stylish interiors while also being practical in their spending. Another key consideration when incorporating wood into home decor on a budget is the potential for DIY projects. Many individuals find joy in crafting their own pieces, allowing for a truly personalized touch. Wood is a versatile material that can be transformed into a wide range of items, from shelves to tables to decorative accents. Engaging in DIY projects not only saves money, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment and creativity. The time spent working with wood can be therapeutic, providing an outlet for self-expression while contributing uniquely to one's living space. Moreover, the satisfaction of creating something with one's own hands adds sentimental value to the finished piece, making it even more special. Sourcing wood for budget-friendly decor can also be a creative endeavor. Many individuals discover hidden gems in thrift stores, flea markets, or even their own backyards. Reclaimed wood, in particular, has gained popularity for its rustic charm and environmental benefits. Using reclaimed materials not only adds character to home decor, but also promotes sustainability, allowing individuals to contribute positively to the environment. The practice of upcycling wooden items, such as turning an old door into a coffee table or transforming pallets into furniture, showcases the limitless possibilities that wood offers while keeping costs low. The aesthetic versatility of wood makes it a suitable choice for various decor styles, from rustic and farmhouse to modern and minimalist. This adaptability means that individuals can find wooden pieces that seamlessly integrate into their existing decor without requiring a complete overhaul of their space. The neutral and earthy tones of wood can complement a wide range of colors and textures, allowing it to serve as a foundation upon which other design elements can be built. This compatibility is particularly beneficial for those working with a limited budget, as it allows them to enhance their spaces gradually without the need for an entirely new collection of furniture. In addition to its aesthetic benefits, wood furniture and decor can contribute to a healthier living environment. Unlike many synthetic materials that can emit harmful chemicals, wood is a natural product that can help improve indoor air quality. This quality is increasingly important for homeowners seeking to create spaces that promote well-being. The natural properties of wood can regulate humidity, which in turn can contribute to a more comfortable atmosphere. By choosing wooden pieces, individuals not only enhance the visual appeal of their homes, but also invest in their overall health and comfort. The emotional connection that individuals form with wooden furniture and decor is another compelling reason to incorporate these elements into home design. Many people cherish items that carry personal stories or memories, and wood often serves as a vessel for these connections. A dining table where families gather for meals, a rocking chair that has been passed down through generations, or a handcrafted wooden shelf filled with cherished books can evoke nostalgia and sentimentality. This emotional resonance adds depth to home decor, transforming mere objects into meaningful representations of life experiences. Furthermore, the craftsmanship involved in creating wooden furniture and decor pieces often reflects a commitment to quality and artistry. Many artisans take pride in their work, producing pieces that embody attention to detail and skill. By choosing wooden items, individuals can support local craftsmen and small businesses, contributing to the preservation of traditional woodworking techniques. This support not only fosters a sense of community, but also encourages the continuation of artisanal practices that prioritize quality over mass production. As individuals explore the role of wood in home decor, it is essential to consider the balance between functionality and aesthetics. Wooden furniture can serve practical purposes while also enhancing the beauty of a space. For instance, a well-designed wooden bookshelf can provide essential storage while becoming a focal point in a room. Similarly, wooden accent pieces, such as decorative bowls or picture frames, can add character and personality without overwhelming a space. This harmonious blend of form and function is particularly valuable for those on a budget, as it allows them to make strategic choices that maximize both utility and visual appeal. The role of wood in home decor is also influenced by cultural and regional factors. Different cultures have unique relationships with wood, shaping their architectural styles, furniture designs, and decorative traditions. By incorporating wooden pieces into their homes, individuals can celebrate their cultural heritage or explore influences from other regions. This cultural appreciation adds another layer of meaning to home decor, allowing individuals to create spaces that reflect their identities and values. Another consideration when using wood in home decor is the potential for seasonal updates. Wooden pieces can easily be adapted or repurposed to align with changing seasons or trends. For example, a wooden coffee table can be adorned with seasonal decor, such as flowers in spring or cozy candles in winter. This flexibility allows homeowners to refresh their spaces without the need for significant investments. By using wood as a foundational element, individuals can create a versatile backdrop that adapts to their evolving tastes and preferences. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas for home decor on a budget. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.